sorry.
My dog had one.
Your dog had one.
Yeah, it's like a...
This is
he's right.
I saw a pug running on her.
This is elephant toothpaste, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the ones that
New.
You like that?
Is that red dye?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you have to do next?
You put the powder in and then step back.
We don't need to put the liquid first.
Oh, yeah. Put the liquid powder in. I thought you already put that in. Here we go.
It might not work because there's not enough liquid. Oh, there it will. Oh my goodness.
It's coming up.
Oh my goodness.
Here it comes.
That is That is brilliant.
You're just going to go
Should we light it? Should we light it?
Yeah.
That would be funny.
Can I get a split?
We're going to light this split. Whoa! Look at those lines. There's green line on it. Yeah.
What's your name? Let's open that word.
6'9" Barlow boy 6'9". You've got 6'9".
Yeah.
Who wants to be on YouTube?
We're split. As you got about 20 videos.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
No, guys. Keep your phones away, please. Okay.
You put it in and the whole thing explodes.
Okay, maybe we did it a bit too late. Maybe put it on the outside. It's a bit too late. You need to do it as soon as it starts to light. Okay, there you go.
It's like
Well, that was-
mustard.
So Claudia, thank you very much.
Yep. Thank you, Claudia.
Elephant toothpaste, there you go. Just phone, isn't it? Goodbye.